Alright, well, welcome to the Within Reach Movie Quicktime Transcription Workflow Process tutorial. And this is a really amazing tutorial. The first one that we're going to do, we're going to actually show you first off why you would even want to do this. Okay, this is our transcription log. Alright, in our log we've got all these different categories of things that we're writing down and logging. Here's our actual transcription. This is what it kind of looks like a script. I'll get into it a little bit later here what we're actually looking at. But the most important thing is, let's say this is all done. We've done our whole transcription process. We've typed out every word that we've filmed for this whole movie project, in interviews and B footage, anything. And we want to start finding the highlights in this movie, which we've actually segmented out as red footage in the highlight section, and also in the transcription we've highlighted it too. And we want to start finding subjects, and we know that we're storyboarding now, and we're going to start looking through this log for some of our best footage. So we're going to search for the term Cobb and find out what it turns up for Cobb, because we know that for the first part of our storyboard for our movie, we might want to start sharing with the world about Cobb in our movie. Alright, so we're gonna go to edit in Numbers. Numbers, by the way, is Apple's version of Excel. Wonderful program. So go to edit and you go down to find and you show the search feature. Now the great thing about this is it searches just like Google or any other thing would search. So I type in Cobb, C-O-B, and it already brings me to, oh look, I spelled Cobb the wrong way in the transcription. Good thing it included it as C-O-B-B, even though I only typed out C-O-B. So I'll just double click on Cobb and it takes me right to that section of the transcription where it is. Here it is. You can even click it again and it highlights the word as yellow for you really quick. And there we are. We're in our clip. And that was a keyword. And so we can look. Maybe I'll type it in twice, see if it shows up anywhere else. Nope, nowhere else. Alright, that's great. So I actually noticed that in this highlighted section the word Cobb doesn't show up. But it's an interesting section. It's a highlight, and it says, so this has been made using a number of different wall systems: compressed earth block, straw bale, wattle and daub. Perfect. That's a clip that I might end up wanting to use in my movie. So I would have the time code right there, and I can go straight into the folder. So what is in this log? Alright, well, how would I find that log, or that clip, in using this log? Well, in this first cell is our hard drive information. So I'm going to want to go into that cell to find out which hard drive it's on first of all, and then I'm going to go into the folder that it's listed under, and the file name, the clip number will be there. The duration of the clip is there for reference. Also for reference, the date of the clip that was filmed. A type of the clip, this is helpful. So if it's an A footage clip or a B footage clip. If it's A footage, it's primary interview. If it's B footage, it's going to be any like filler clip or nature roll or whatever. Community shoot location, helpful for knowing where it was filmed. The interviewee or main subject's name. A thumbnail, which I will show you in a second how we're going to go about adding that to this log. And keyword tags, subjects, anything that you want to know quickly at a glance about what this clip is about. And then of course the transcription and anything else like the highlight information with the time code. Alright, now so I'll let that be up to you to figure out. Once we've got that clip figured out, we know that we go to our hard drive and our finder. Of course, we go to the folder name and where that was, and then find the actual clip. Alright, if you're using AVCHD footage, of course you're going to have to go in through Final Cut Pro to find the clip. Or you might even be able to do it in your finder if you have a player like VLC Player. Alright, VLC Player is the only player that I know of that can open AVCHD footage as a .mts file, just like QuickTime opens .mov or .mp4 files for future reference. Alright, so let's say we wanted to create a whole new section, and we need to create the first thing first, which is our our icon or our thumbnail. So I'm gonna add a column after. All right. Oops. Whoa, what happened there? That was the wrong one. I did column. I meant to do row. So we're gonna do a row right here. I'm gonna click add row below. All right. Now you notice that the thumbnail automatically gets put in there. That's because this is a hotspot, and it's okay to just create a new thumbnail and stick it right in there. So here's our clip from that. Let's say we want to add a new thumbnail for this clip. For this clip, we would just go with Apple. You use the screen capture program, and the screen capture program has hotkeys of Command Shift 4 to be able to drag a little box around the exact area that you want to screen capture, and then you let go. It takes a picture, and it puts it on your desktop, and there it is. You can press spacebar to preview it. Great, and then we just want to drag it and drop it in there, and bam, there we go. It changed a little bit. It's the same clip that I've been working with previously, but let's say, okay, we want to do a different clip. Alright, show you how different that is really easily. You know, to your hotspot, screen capture, go to your desktop, there it is, drop it in. Great, and you've got your new clip ready to start logging. Now, I'm going to stop this clip, and the next clip is our log and transcription. You can watch how we would start going about logging all these informations, where I would find that, how I would copy and paste it in here, and how to start transcribing right here. Thanks a lot. Enjoy.